Build a strong online brand presence. In today's crowded digital world, your brand needs to stand out to thrive. Wondering how successful home business owners and network marketers build unforgettable online brands? GD Ames AI Marketing will share a few actionable strategies to give your business the spotlight it deserves. Your brand starts with clarity. Who are you and what do you stand for? Define your mission, values, and target audience. A crystal clear identity not only builds trust, but creates a lasting impression that evolves into loyal customers. Social media isn't optional, it's essential. Choose platforms where your audience spends time and post value-driven content consistently. Engage authentically through post comments, replies, birthdays, anniversary wishes, and stories to turn views into meaningful relationships and brand supporters. Content is king, but quality rules the kingdom. Develop blogs, articles, videos, polls, or posts, answering your audience's pain points and concerns. Consistency and relevancy build credibility, keeping your brand top of mind while competitors and rivals fade into the background. Your personal website is your digital storefront. Make it count. Keep it user-friendly, mobile responsive, and fast. Optimize for SEO so your audience finds you easily. A smooth online experience keeps potential customers clicking, not bouncing. Your brand, social media content, and personal website, GD Ames, is an invaluable tool for businesses and network marketers looking to enhance their social media marketing efforts. This AI platform improves connections in a professional manner with customers, clients, and prospects with ease. Use the easiest and best social media marketing platform ever. Results guaranteed. Use the link on this video to know more or get started.